welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, we will be doing another try-on haul, and this time we will be featuring all these basic clothing that I've got from Zara. And since they're all basics, guys, I decided na isama ko na rin yung mga basic tops na nabili ko from a different brand. Lahat ng ipapakita ko sa inyo today are all size small. So for your reference, I am 4'11". Yes, super tangkad ng atin yung... I know I'm vertically challenged, guys, but I've got no problem with it. I am loving my height. I'm super happy with it. And approximately 51 kilograms. Kapag kasi nanonood ako ng mga try and haul videos sa YouTube, guys, I always appreciate it kapag nilalagay nila yung mga information na ganun. Kasi it's very helpful, especially kapag gusto mong itry yung item. And then you will know your size. I'm super excited to show them all to you guys. Kaya without further ado, let's get into the video. First up is this bodysuit that I'm wearing now. Na sobrang obsessed talaga ako, guys. Like, seriously, I so love it. This is what they call the halter neck bodysuit in the color beige pink. Ayan. I love everything about this bodysuit. Oh my god, yung cut niya, super lovely. Tingnan nyo yung kanyang sa neck. And then, yung dito lang sa ano, guys, just be careful yung sa gilid kasi mukhang nag-expose siya ng konting side boobs. So, just be aware of that. But, guys, seriously, yung feel ng fabric, super lambot talaga ng material niya, guys. I just wish na ma-feel nyo yung fabric niya ngayon, guys, kasi hindi talaga ako nagsisinungaling. It's very, very soft. So, I've been eyeing for this particular bodysuit for so long now, guys. And when I say so long, literally, since early this year ata. But I was on the fence kasi yung mga Zara kasi na tops, guys, kahit basics lang sila, they are on the pricier side. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, maybe no, I'll just go to Shein because Shein's got similar stuff, guys, nito, which is cheaper than Zara. And this is what I'm talking about, guys. So, ito siya. This is from Shein. And pinakita ko na to siya sa video namin last week ata with Daddy Mike. Yung My Husband Rates My Outfit video. So, if you haven't watched that one yet, guys, watch nyo na. Pero pinakita ko to doon. And then, sabi ko, yeah, this is fine with me. Hindi na ako bibili ng Zara. But then, hindi pa rin ako makatulog, guys. Kasi gustong-gusto ko talagang itry yung Zara bodysuit. So, I bit the bullet last week. I went online. Binili ko siya online, guys. Kasi yung mga store namin dito sa Melbourne ay close pa rin dahil sa aming lockdown. Kaya yun, sa online ko siya binili. It got delivered to me after 2 days. Sobrang bilis na lang talaga. But yeah, so yung presyo pala nito, guys, ay $29.95. So it's basically $30. And I really think that it's worth it, guys. Sa material na ginamit nila for this bodysuit, I think $30 is worth it talaga. So that's what it looks like sa front, guys, ha? Oh. Tapos sa gilid, ang kilikili. Tapos sa likod. Ayan. So, have you heard the saying na, if you love it, buy it in every color? So, hindi yan yung ginawa ko dito, guys, ha? Kasi hindi ko naman talaga binili lahat ng kulay. But this next top bodysuit is exactly the same as the first one, but in color white. Ayan. So, the same siya, size and everything. Yung bodysuit na to pala, guys, is available in 4 colors. I don't know sa ibang bansa, pero dito sa Australia, it's available in white, in black, in beige pink, and merong leopard print. Pero yung binili ko lang ay itong white tsaka yung beige pink. Maybe one day I'll go back and grab the black one. Next up is this top, guys, and this one is actually part of their Limitless Contour collection. Ayan, so halter neck lang din siya, pero crop top ba yan siya, guys? Crop top kasi kita yung chan. But yeah, that's what it looks like. Ayan. Again, sobrang stretchy ng kanyang fabric, guys. This actually is in extra small to small. So, yung sizing nito ay extra small to small, tapos medium to large, ganun. So, yung kinuha ko ay itong extra small to small. Ayan. So, ribbed material pala to siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Ayan. And this one retails for $17.95. Sobrang ganda nito i-pair sa high-waisted shorts or kahit anong high-waisted, guys. High-waisted pants or high-waisted skirt. Bagay na bagay talaga dito, guys. Next up is this stretch top with wide straps. Ayan. So, hindi pala siya white. Ito yung tinatawag nila na kulay na ecru. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, guys. But yeah, para siyang beige, off-white, ganun na kulay. But yeah. Hindi pala to siya bodysuit. Top lang talaga to siya. Pero tinak-in ko siya kasi that's my style. Always talaga akong nagsusuot ng mga high-waisted shorts or pants or skirts, guys. Bihira nyo lang akong makitang naka mid-rise or low-rise. Kasi, as mentioned, I am very petite. And wearing high-waisted bottoms gives you the illusion na parang matangkad ka. Yung mahaba yung bias mo. Ayan. That's why, yeah, bihira nyo lang talaga akong makikitang naka low-rise, guys. Or mid-rise. Always talaga high-rise, high-waisted. Ayan. Oh, diba? So that's what it looks like on the back as well. Ayan. So yung material nito ay very similar doon sa mga bodysuits, guys. Again, very soft, very smooth. Ayan. And this one retails for $15.95. And the last item that I got from Zara is this pop of color top, guys. Oh my god. Fuchsia pink. Ayan. I so love it. So this is very similar to the last one. Meron silang mga pa-square neck na ganap. Ayan. Pero yung material nito ay rib pala, guys. As you can see. Ayan. Tapos yung strap nito ay mas manipis kumpara doon sa last one. Ayan. And this one I got for $13.95. So yung lahat yung nabili ko from Zara, guys. I paid $107 for the 5 items with free shipping. Nung dineliver pala yun, guys, dito yun siya nakalagay. Ayan, sa brown envelope na to. And then, hindi katulad sa Shein na meron siyang plastic every item. Wala lang siya, guys. Ganito lang siya, oh. Ganyan siya. Which is really good kasi, you know, to help the Mother Earth ba, save the plastic. Next up is this top, guys. And I don't know about me, but I've been really into basics recently. Ayan, so ito yung binili ko. And this is from the brand Kukai, which is an Australian brand. Ayan. So I bought it in this color and in this red color. Ayan. So, basic na basic lang talaga, guys. You can pair it with everything. Like, literally everything. Shorts, skirts, pants, jeans. Ayan. So, exactly the same. It is size 6 to 8. So, medyo tight siya, guys. But I think it's meant to be worn like this. Diba? Hindi naman siguro siya maganda tingnan kapag loose siya. Kaya, yeah. That's it. And I'd probably wear it or style it like this, guys. Ayan. So, I'll just go walk to the shops like this. O, diba? Sobrang dalagang-dalaga lang. May bakti na pala na isa. Ayan. I so love the color, guys. Super nice. And then the last two in this haul, guys, are these basic tank tops from the brand Glassons. And I believe Australian brand din siya, guys. So, they are exactly the same. This one is in red. And this one is in white. Ayan. Ribbed material to siya, guys. Tingnan nyo. I love it because it is super body hugging. So, parang ginaganon sinasakin niya yung katawan mo, guys. So, it gives you that shape. Kahit wala namang talagang shape. But yeah, I love it. And that brings us to the end of this haul, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know in the comment section below your favorite piece from this haul. And I am planning to do more try-on hauls in this channel. So hopefully mag-subscribe kayo, guys, kung na-enjoy nyo yung video na to. Thank you very much for your time. I hope to see you all, guys, in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can, be careful. Bye! Mwah!